This one, pointing at it, this is this or it. And then, what is it? This one, what? Next, you should go do your description builder. What shape comes next? There are 2 signs that the person will ask at the end of drawing each shape. They're going to start at the top and draw a shape, and then they're going to ask. So you can go ahead and do that practice activity now. There's another practice, a basic ASL grammar scramble, to focus on the basic ASL sentence structure. We're going to start simple with some basics. Unscramble each sentence by rearranging the English words into a basic ASL word order which follows object, subject, verb. And there's a quick example of each kind in case you have forgotten. Remember that in English, I read the book becomes book I read in ASL. Huh? Or question? Looks like a tiny little question mark over and over. So at the end of a sentence that is a question, you can say, huh? Or question. If you don't understand, you can also just say, huh? And then the sizes of things. These sizes are usually used for like drinks, or in this case, another object of a similar shape. So, large, large, large size, medium size, small size. And now you are ready for your conversation starter. So watch the signers converse in ASL. You should be able to watch it first before you take the quiz. So if you see something in it you're not sure what that sign is, that's the time to go back through your notes and see if you can figure it out. Next is spot the differences for the sign parameters. Again, you're going to keep practicing seeing 2 different signs and identifying the difference and selecting what parameter it is. It doesn't matter that you understand what it means or not. You just need to be able to see what part was moved.